Imagine a time when the air was filled with the smell of fresh pine. The glow of candlelight flickered in the windows, and families gathered to celebrate Christmas without the conveniences of modern technology. Today, we journey back through the centuries to explore the traditional foods enjoyed during Christmas in olden times, a season marked by elaborate feasting and heartwarming traditions. Medieval England, the preparation for Christmas began long before the festive day. Without the luxury of refrigerators or electric ovens, preservation was key. People relied on smoking, drying, and salting to store meats. An iconic centerpiece of the Christmas table was the boar's head, ornately decorated with herbs like rosemary and bay leaves. This display was not only a culinary delight, but a symbol of power and hospitality. Humble mince pie, a staple then and now, was vastly different from what we enjoy today. In the 16th century, these pies contained a mixture of meat, fruit, and spices, a tantalizing combination of flavors reflecting the exotic spices of the East brought back by the Crusaders. The pies were often shaped in a rectangular form to represent the manger, adding a touch of symbolism to the feast. Crossing over to the continent, let's explore the rich traditions of Germany. Stollen, a fruit bread studded with nuts, spices, and dried fruits, was already a celebratory dish by the end of the Middle Ages. It was generously dusted with powdered sugar to mimic the snowy landscapes of winter. Preparing stollen was a laborious process, from mixing the dough by hand to carefully baking it in wood-fired ovens, capturing the warmth of the season with each bite. In Sweden, the Christmas table was abundant with dishes that highlighted local ingredients. The board, or Christmas table, featured lutefisk, a dish made from dried fish soaked in lye, creating a unique texture. Accompanying the fish were potatoes and a rich white sauce. The significance of lutefisk lay in its testament to the Scandinavian spirit of making the most of what nature provided, even during the coldest months. Moving towards the 19th century, in America, Christmas feasts began to reflect the melting pot of cultures. Turkeys, now synonymous with the festive season, graced the tables alongside plum puddings and roasted root vegetables. Historic cookbooks reveal recipes for gingerbread cookies and fruitcakes meticulously crafted by hand, with each family adding their own personal touch and secret ingredients. Throughout these eras, the dining setting was as important as the food itself. Tables were adorned with handmade cloths, and the best silverware was polished until it gleamed. The meals were not just about sustenance, but about bringing people together, sharing stories, and creating memories amidst the harsh winter cold. So, as we gather around our modern tables this Christmas, let us remember the rich tapestry of traditions that have been woven through the centuries. From boar's head and mince pies to stollen and lutefisk, these dishes are more than food. They are a testament to human resilience, creativity, and the enduring spirit of celebration.